Hey, unfortunately, I have some slightly unpleasant news for you. You are seeing this message because one or more of your invoices are overdue. In the stress of everyday work, this can happen quickly. Unfortunately, if payment is not received, we have to restrict your account, which causes you to lose valuable visibility. But don't worry, this can be cleared up quickly. Simply go to your profile in the top right and select the billing item in the menu. Scroll all the way down to the invoices section. Here you can see at a glance which amounts are still outstanding. You can make the payment as usual via bank transfer or complete it directly here in the system. To do this, simply click on the Pay Now button. Your digital invoice will open. On the right, you will find the outstanding amount. With one click on Make Payment, you can settle the amount very easily. As soon as the outstanding items are settled, this message should disappear and your job advertisements will continue without interruption. My tip: store a new payment method under billing so that everything runs smoothly and automatically in the future. If there is a problem with the invoice or if you have questions, please contact us directly. I'm sure we'll find a solution.